Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to save up radar events in Last Z Survival Shooter. All right, let's begin. To maximize points, master saving radar events. Monitor the timer as the reset approaches. If you leave radar events unclaimed, they won't disappear. By claiming them immediately after reset, you bank points for the Versus Challenge. Each event grants roughly 18,300 points, depending on your buffs. This strategy also applies to Laura's events. Do not click her before the reset, or you will lose them. Once the reset passes, engage her to claim those points. Your stacking capacity depends on your radar level. You might save up to 40 events. Check the upper left corner for your limit. Saving these, especially with a 4-star Laura who provides 20 events, ensures you easily unlock multiple reward boxes. This method pays off by giving you a massive head start on daily versus goals. It is very helpful now. So that's basically how you can save up radar events in Last Z Survival Shooter. That's it for this video. Thanks.